Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making something that's not only delicious but packed with health benefits, fresh lemon ginger tea. Whether you're looking to warm up on a chilly day, soothe an upset stomach, or just enjoy a cozy antioxidant-packed drink, this recipe is for you. It's quick, easy, and guaranteed to become your new favorite way to unwind. Let's get started. What's in lemon ginger tea? If you guessed lemon and ginger, you're spot on. But to create the best lemon ginger tea, a few extra ingredients take it to the next level. Here's what you'll need. Water, the foundation of any tea. Whether you're crafting lemon ginger tea, Arabic mint tea, or simply brewing a favorite tea bag, water is essential to bring it all together. Grated ginger, freshly grated ginger or ginger paste provides a bold, slightly spicy and tangy kick that's key to this tea's unique flavor. Lemon, a combination of fresh lemon juice and slices, infuses the tea with bright, zesty citrus notes. Turmeric. Just a pinch enhances the flavor while adding a subtle warmth and extra health-boosting properties. Honey, sweetened to taste. Whether you prefer just a touch or a generous drizzle, honey perfectly balances the tea's tangy and spicy flavors. How to make ginger tea. Once you've mastered the art of making fresh ginger tea, you'll never want to use tea bags again. Here's how it's done. First, boil the water. Heat water in a saucepan or your favorite tea kettle over medium-high heat until it reaches a boil. Next, add the ingredients. Stir in all the ingredients, starting with 1 tablespoon of honey. You can always add more later to suit your taste. Then steep the tea. Turn off the heat, cover the saucepan or kettle, and let the tea steep for at least 10 minutes. This step allows the flavors to fully develop. Finally, serve and enjoy. Pour the tea through a small mesh strainer into your cup. Adjust the sweetness if needed, garnish with a slice of lemon for a touch of charm, and sip away. Is ginger tea good for you? Absolutely. Ginger tea isn't just delicious, comforting, and low in calories, it's packed with health benefits. It can boost your immune system, support digestion, soothe upset stomachs, and help reduce symptoms of nausea, making it a wholesome choice for both taste and wellness. These health benefits stem primarily from fresh ginger root, harvested from the ginger plant. It's crucial to use fresh ginger, as dried ginger lacks gingerol, the potent antioxidant responsible for many of its therapeutic properties. When combined with the antioxidant-rich honey and the inflammation-fighting polyphenols in turmeric, known to help reduce arthritis symptoms and more, this ginger tea becomes the ultimate cold-busting, mood-boosting remedy. It's a powerful and delicious way to support your health. Ginger tea variations. Once you've mastered the basic recipe, it's easy to customize fresh ginger tea to suit your taste. Here are a few favorite twists to try. Add a cinnamon stick. Infuse extra warmth and spice with a small cinnamon stick. Fresh mint leaves. Toss in a dash of mint leaves for a refreshing and vibrant twist. Skip the turmeric. Let the bright citrus flavors take center stage by omitting turmeric. Try lime juice. Swap lemon for lime juice to enjoy a tangy, slightly different flavor. Blend with tea. Steep the ingredients alongside green oolong or black tea for added depth and complexity. What to serve with ginger tea? This fresh ginger tea is incredibly satisfying on its own, but it also pairs wonderfully with a variety of snacks and meals. For a wholesome start to your day, enjoy a warm cup of ginger tea alongside a savory oatmeal bowl, a smoked salmon sandwich, healthy breakfast egg muffins. For an afternoon snack or post-dinner treat, try pairing it with easy churro chips, a slice of Italian lemon ricotta cheesecake, mahalabia, rose watermilk pudding, biscotti. These combinations will enhance the cozy, soothing experience of your ginger tea. And that's it! Your perfect cup of lemon ginger tea is ready to enjoy. I hope you're as excited as I am about this simple yet powerful recipe. If you love this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tasty and health-boosting recipes. Drop a comment below and let me know how you like your ginger tea. Any fun variations I should try? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.